Hi guys, my name's Tim Gatt. I'm here at Willie Manglis Institute, Sydney. Today I'm going to be cooking a Beurre Noisette ice cream with poached pear using Meadow spread. So we have our spreads. Going to get this one in the pot. We want all that spread to melt and then it'll start to caramelise. Okay, so this one's all ready to go. We can see our butter has started to brown really nicely and we're going to let this cool down for later. For the base of our Beurre Noisette, we need to make a creme anglaise. We're going to use our eggs and sugar in our bowl and we're going to whisk it until it's a nice fluffy savion. In a separate pot, I'm going to add my milk, vanilla pod. I'm gently warming it up so that when my eggs are ready, I'm going to mix the two together and that'll turn into our anglaise. We have our egg and sugar mix here. We have the cream mix here, which we were melting on the stove. I'm just going to gently add this into here. And that's going to go back on the stove and I'm going to cook it until it coats the back of a wooden spoon. And that's going to be our anglaise. It's been cooling down. I'm just going to put that into my blender for about 15 minutes. And here is the Beurre Noisette, which we made as well with the spreads. So you can see now it's been mixed nicely. It's emulsified, so it's ready for our ice cream machine. Now, if you have it preset, it'll take about 20 to 30 minutes to turn into our ice cream. I'm just going to put it into my container so it doesn't melt. For the poached pears, I'm going to peel them and I'm going to place them into a pot with all of my aromats, such as white wine, cinnamon quill, and some sugar. I'm going to add a little bit of water to it as well. And then we're going to put them on a medium heat. They'll probably take about 30 minutes until they're nice and tender. So now we're going to move on to our Beurre Noisette crumb, which is going to sit beneath our ice cream. We need a robo coupe or a mixer. We have some flour, sugar. We have our Beurre Noisette, which we made from our spread earlier, an egg, and we're going to add a little bit of vanilla essence to flavour. Okay, give it a mix. Just going to add a little bit of water just to bring the mix together. That's our crumb now, ready to go. We have a tray here lined with baking paper. Just break it up a little bit, just so it cooks quicker. So I've got our oven set to about 160 degrees, and this will take approximately 15 minutes. I'm just going to put them into my robo coupe. So it's time to plate up our ice cream dish now. The poached pear, which we did earlier, it's been in the fridge cooling down. I'm just going to portion it up. In the bottom, I'm going to place the butter crumb, which we made earlier. Sprinkle a little bit of poached pear. I'm then going to add our Beurre Noisette ice cream, and we're going to garnish it with some caramel popcorn and some lovely flowers so it looks beautiful. And there you have it, guys. That's the Beurre Noisette ice cream with poached pear using the Meadow spread. The great thing about this dish is, guys, it's simple, tasty, and you really can't go wrong.